In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to lay out your business cards that you'll be creating in Photoshop. So we're going to go again, open up a new document, print, letter size, 8.5 by 11, resolution 300. We're going to create that. Now, what we need to do is put down some guidelines. So right now, as you can see, I have this open right here. I have some guides over here. So if you go over to View, Rulers, that's what I have up right now. View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Okay, so you can change the color. I'm keeping mine to cyan at the moment. So I'm going to have a very specific way I'm going to set this up. So I'm going to set this up with columns and rows and margins. So the margins are the distance between the top and the beginning, the side and the beginning, the top and the bottom. So those margins, I would like those all to be, I would like the top to be 0.75. I worked all my maths out for this. And I would like the bottom to be, this is so I can get, my goal here is to get a sheet filled of templates for my business cards. So I want to have 2 rows, and I'm going to have 4 cards. We have 8 in total we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I want the width of this to be 3.5 inches. That's the size of a business card. And the height is going to be 2. Okay, so I put all that in there. So I have the gutter. I want the gutter for this one to be, which is the space in between. The gutter is the space in between the things. So I want that actually to be 0.5. And I want this gutter to be 0.5. Okay, so now I have these different areas to build my cards. So I go, okay. So I can put my different cards that I'm making in here, right? So you can make it, so now I can go over here, and I'm going to go over to one of my monograms that I made. And I can make that do anything I want with that. Makes things a little more fun. Okay, so here I have my monogram. So I want to put this onto my card. This is the monogram I want to be using. Let's do that. All right, so how do I do that? What I'm going to do is I'm using my arrow keys right now to get this up. Is I'm going to go over again to my layers. I'm going to choose these two. I'm holding down the shift to get the other one. I am right clicking, and I'm going to over to merge layers. Right, so now I just have one layer. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it with my keyboard command. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to put it over into here. My keyboard command, I'm going to paste it. Right, and now I can put it at pretty much anywhere I want. I'm going to put it in here, and then for my first card, I'm going to go over, get my type tool, drag my square over where I want to put my information, and then just type in my address, go over and then use your characters, all your tools to make this so it looks exactly like you want, right? You're going to end up with it in a, you're just going to do what you need to do, change your paragraph, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so you're going to just design different ones in the different squares to see which one that you like for your business card. Okay, hope that helps.